And we're here with Stefano Langoni,
That's
the latest
right.
contestant voted off American Idol. Stefano, good morning. Nice
Good morning.
to see you.
Nice seeing you.
You okay with this?
Oh man, how could I not be? I was on the biggest show in the world, and I did a good job. I went out there every week doing the best I could do, and it just turned out great. Lucky number 7.
You say doing the best you can do. Jennifer Lopez says that speaking for the girls in the audience in your last performance, I thought it was very, very good. You really had your swag going on.
Yeah. I did a little something different in my last performance, going with the up-tempo song, really current, and it was cool. It was funny because my last segment with Jimmy, he was like, "You gotta be sexy, you gotta be sexy," and I'm sitting there like, "Yeah, you're right. Why haven't I been sexy yet?" So, went out there and just showed some of my chops in a different way, and it was a great performance.
In fact, you said you haven't been able to really bust out musically.
Yeah.
What would you do? Would you have done differently?
Well, I don't know if I would do it differently. I saved like my piano chops and that kind of part of my artistry to myself, because I wanted to hold that moment for after. I wanted that's really special to me, and I think it's going to be special when people really hear that. And under so much scrutiny and under the show, and I would rather have my music and do my music behind the piano than a cover and be judged on that. So that's just how I went about that one.
Long way from Kent, Washington.
I'm a long way from Kent, Washington, but shout out to all of them. I love them so much.
You did great, and the ladies on the show also said you could flirt with a piece of paper if it had estrogen on it. Stefano, way to go. J-Lo and Steven Tyler on our show Monday. First, your local news.